In this video, I'm going to talk about Aitable, which lifetime deal is back again on the Sumo Day sale just for the 4 days, and within the 13 June, if you're able to get this, you will get the 10% extra discount. Not only you will get the 10% discount on this Aitable, but all these Sumo Day sales tag appearing on the softwares here. For example, we have so many tools right now back again, like the active pieces, zero work, we have the Merlin, we have the maker suite, we have the unschooler, mini course generator. These tools have around the 10% extra discount opportunity you are going to get right now. So let's back to the Aitable and let me give you a detailed overview of this tool, how you can use it to making your database looking more engaging, interesting, managing your projects, and even the keep track of your customer relationships. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. And this is the directly alternative to the Airtable or the Monday.com, but better because it comes with inbuilt AI ChatGPT features. So I talk about the features. First of all, like the name suggesting, you can organize any data with the help of AI and view in the multiple formats. This is the thing you can currently watch on the screen here. Then you can even chat with your database. Some example I give you, most of the times we feel stuck with our database and we need answers or particular information. Then we can just ask the AI and it will find it and show you that data in the really pleasant way. Then it has the generate workflow with AI. With this feature, you can create the workflows, project management, SOPs for you, for your team, or for your team members. This is the thing. There are also tons of templates available that I will see you in the matter of few minutes here. The next feature that I liked really much, that is giving me the ChatGPT option, that is the AI writing for the project assistant. This is the cool part. The last and the not least, you can turn your database into a chatbot, connect in your website, and whenever your visitor asks anything about your services, about your product, then chatbot is going to answer. And it is also going to turn those visitors into the leads and connect you as the human part. This is the bad thing, and everything done by this AI. And let me share one more important thing. This is the tool that is rewarded as the first product of the day on the product hunt. You can see on the November 2023 it is voted as the #1 on the product hunt. So you can see how much the valuable this tool here. This is the tool I used for my content management task here. You can see I have turned my content management into the different kind of the things and the views. Okay, so this is the my content topic, this is the keyword, this is the publication date, persona, all these things I have just used this platform to create it. And if I give you the another view, this is the Gantt view, and you can see this is the content topic, these are all the writers, this is the content campaign view. I can instantly check out from my team what are the brainstorming topics, what are the researching topics, what are drafting, or what are the revising or the published topics. See, this is the thing. I know it feels a little bit complicated because you are seeing all this data in this single screen, but trust me and believe me, this tool is a lot easy to use, easy to understand. So now let me give you a detailed demo of this dashboard. First of all, this is the template. I'm going to give you the detailed user interface and show you all the its features. Okay, so let me go to the its main dashboard. This is the main dashboard you will get once you logged in its platform for the first time. And here you can also create the different workspaces. For example, this is my professional workspace, that's why I have named it with my brand name. Okay, but you can even create more workspaces or even connect to your team members and create the joint workspaces. Okay, this is the thing. And this is the workbench. Basically it will show you all of your files here. For example, this is the project management file, and if I click here, it will give me the quick overview. Like this is the Kanban board dashboard for my project. And in the quick bird's eye view, I can check what's going on my this project. This is the status of the project, all these things, categorization, status, all these things in the stat I can check out. And if I need enriched data, I need to go to the project itself, and here I can check out all the detailed data in the different view. For example, this is the grid view, this is the Gantt view, and for example, you can see this is the planning section, this is the execution, this is the closer. I can instantly add the more things in my this data here. Simply click on the plus icon and I can add the product other information here, and I can even add more views. Like this is the gallery view, so let me add the gallery view here, and now you can see, and this is the gallery view. So let me click any of them and it will give me the detailed data on this project here. Okay, so best thing I like about the AI table, it is giving me so much options to view my data in the different ways, whether it's the grid view, whether it's the gallery, whether it's the Kanban, Gantt, or calendrical or architecture. And there's also the form view that lets you create the data in terms of the form and share it with the other. This is the thing I liked it. Okay, so let me show the Gantt view. Okay, so I have showed you already this that. Okay, and if I go to task, here I can add the task and check out all the task status, whether it's the closure, execution form, or whether it's in the planning phase. Or okay, so all these things I can in this simply view I can check out. And I need to add more things here. Simply click on the plus icon and you can start adding your data here. Okay, so if you want to add your own data or start creating the data, how you can do that? First of all, there's the import button available. So simply click on the import section, and here you need to upload your data that will be available in the Excel format, like the XLSV or the CSV file format. Okay, so this is the CSV file format. Simply click on the open, and within the instant your data will be added here. Okay, so this is the added. See, within the instant it is added here. So what I can do now, I can add the multiple views. For example, this is the grid view by default. If I click on the new view, let's go to the this calendrical view. So I have added, and now it is showing me on the calendrical view. So currently I need to configure the data, that's why it is showing the empty. So what I can do, I can just simply mark any date here, click on the plus icon, and I can choose the data from my table. Okay, so that's how you can do that. You can add more multiple views. Let's go with the this time Kanban view. So this is the Kanban view. Again, it is showing me select the data. So let's click on the select the data. Let's go to the deal. Okay, click on the okay, and now you can see start showing the data. Now what I can do, I can just drag and drop the data, make it as the planning way for my content generation. Okay, and this is in the progress. So let's add this time, this tool is under the progress. Okay, and if I go to the, let's add the more data here, and this tool is under the done phase. Okay, see, within the instant just I have created data from this boring grid view. This is the, let me show the grid view. This is the boring grid view. Okay, and this is the Kanban view. Within the instant I get to know which tools are in the, or which contents are in the planning phase, progress phase, or done phase. I can also mark with the different color. And if I need more detailed data, I need to just click on this task here, and I can check all the things, like when I last edited this record, what are the other information fields available here. So let me explain. These are the other information field. Okay, so that's how you can add your own data, or you can even create your own folder. For example, this project is available within the folder. Okay, so how you can do that, just simply click on the folder action here, and you can start creating the folders. So this is the how much easily you can use this platform. Plus it has the other features as well. Let me go to the contact section, and here you can invite your other team members in working with you in your space here. And this is the best thing that you will like in this video. There is the templates available. You need to create the workspaces, you need to create the workflows, project management, all these things. It has the templates available, so you don't need to start creating from the scratch. Just go to the template section, and here you can find the templates relevant to you. Whether it's the project management, you can see it has so many the project management templates, whether it's the sales or customers, marketing, product or the design, education, or the AI data set. So this is for the chatbot, so let's exclude this one. And on the starting, I have showed you the SEO content management table while I was started the video. So this is the content table I have used, content marketing for the SEO. If I open it, you can see all these templates available. Let me go to the content management, and boom, here it is. So this is the thing I have showed you while starting the video. Within the single click, I can use it for my content management, or I can add my team members, I can add my writers, and within the instant I can start using the AI table for my SEO content writing. Okay, so this is the thing I liked it. Then this is the settings options, and here you will get the many more features, like your account settings, your space log, permissions overview. This is for the organization. If you want to manage or give the permissions for your team members, you can do that from here. This is the security options. Okay, so many configuration for your account or your settings. Okay, so let me go to again workbench here, and this is the database I have created in front of you. I have gave you the most easiest information available on the YouTube for this tool here. Okay, so make sure to hit the like button and subscribe my channel to stay updated these kind of the AI tools, reviews, comparisons, and the updates. So bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one. If you want to check out Aitable, the link will be given in the description. There's also the 60 days money back guarantee we will get somehow if you are not happy with this platform. So currently the pricing is really super affordable.